Hello everybody. In this video we're going to be taking a look at the latest prototype iteration of HoneyCrisp, my APPLE-1 emulator. Now, this is a prototype for version 1.1, the successor to version 1.0, which I released on September 30th. And I can already tell you that there's been some pretty substantial improvements that have been made with this latest prototype iteration. And I'll get into a couple of them today, but there are definitely more to come, and I can already tell you that with this latest prototype, the hardware accuracy is much more accurate to the original APPLE-1 hardware than version 1.0 was, and I've also added some little, quality of life, so to speak, features, such as the turbo mode, which allows you to go from the normal CPU speed execution to 2 times, 5 times, or 10 times the CPU and output speed execution, which speeds up programs significantly and allows you to run things at a faster, non-accurate speed just for your convenience. And so I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate just some of the things that I've improved, and hopefully you'll enjoy it, and let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing that I'm going to showcase here, and you can see it here on the screen, is some test programs. Now, every test program that I run in this video wasn't originally compatible with HoneyCrisp version 1.0, and that's because most of these test programs were very low-level, zero-page test programs that, HoneyCrisp version 1.0 had a zero-page protection mechanism, which did not allow certain code to be executed on the 0 page, and obviously, the original APPLE-1 didn't have that. It would allow you to quite literally just stop all over the 0 page, and it wouldn't really care because, it had no concept of, oh, I'm gonna stop you from doing that so you don't break something. Well, it would just fix everything by itself when you would hard reset the machine or, do a power cycle or whatever. And so that's what I've improved here in terms of the original hardware accuracy. Is now you can write stuff to the 0 page even if it decides to corrupt everything. A hard reset or a page reload would serve as like a power cycle and just restore everything back to its original functioning state if you ended up breaking something. And so most of these programs that I show here again are meant to be executed on the 0 page and meant to kind of throw the system for a loop on purpose, because they just test the durability of the system to make sure that it can execute such things without, completely breaking or anything. So that's one thing that I definitely improved over the original 1.0 version of HoneyCrisp, is that now you can execute literally anything and the system will run it, no matter if it is junk code or it's fantastic, awesome, amazing, whatever. It will execute it no matter what it is. Now, with the following program, I'm going to be demonstrating the Turbo Mode edition, which is featured within this 1.1 prototype. And I'll set its 10x speed just so you can get an idea of how fast Turbo Mode really is and how it compares to the normal 1x speed of the CPU execution. Now, that said, this video is not sped up at all. It's not sped up in any way, shape, or form, and so what you're seeing here is exactly what you would get with 10x speed. The prototype shown in this video is subject to change. HoneyCrisp version 1.1 will release at the end of October 2025.